Hello everyone, see you again. Welcome to my video again. Okay, let's go and find the truck. Oh my god. Ooh, one truck here. But a lot of ants. Oh my god, here you see. Oh, it is a Rubicon. It's like a yellow Rubicon. Oh my god, this is wow. It's a net of red ant. Oh my god, here. Oh my god, so scared. Okay, let's pick up the truck. My god, so cool. Oh shit, a lot of ants here. Okay. Oh shit. Oh wow. Okay, just leave it here. Okay, let's go and continue, everyone. Wow. Oh my goodness, I got a yellow one. It is a like, yeah, it is a dump truck. Okay. Yeah. Wow, so cool. Okay, I go and place it again. I keep it here. So I got two. Okay, let's go and find more. Wow, this is excavator. Wow, welcome excavator. Yeah.
I'm a nerd separator. I'm an excavator.
I got three in hand. Let's go and pick up some more. Okay. Wow. I got one here. It is like, yeah, just car. City clean truck. Oh my goodness.
Trash or waste. All these things.
So cool. So I keep it here. I got four totally. Okay, let's go and find some more. Yeah. Wow, it's so cool. Yeah. I got another one. It is a Rubicon truck. Okay, everyone, just look at this. Yeah, I got another one. It is a Rubicon truck. Okay, everyone, just look at this. Yeah, it's so nice. So I got five dump truck. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. It is dump truck. Wow, why it here? Yeah, okay. So I got like, yeah, so I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 truck. It is like yeah, it's a gold Rubicon. This is like dump truck. This is like yeah, excavator and city clean truck. Then here is a Rubicon yellow, and last is dump truck. Okay, thank you everyone.